Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best baking soda is probably one of the most versatile household items you can find, with uses ranging from baking cakes and cookies to cleaning your kitchen and even whitening your teeth. However, not all baking soda is created equal. Today, we will delve into the world of aluminum-free baking soda, exploring its benefits, uses, and what to look for when choosing the perfect brand for your needs. We will compare different brands, discuss their pros and cons, and ultimately help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Pure baking soda. It's made with only the purest ingredients. You can trust its quality for all your needs. It's perfect for baking delicious treats. It helps create light and fluffy textures in your favorite recipes. It's a versatile addition to your cooking. It can enhance the flavor and texture of your dishes. It's a natural and effective cleaning agent. It's great for cleaning and deodorizing your home. It's always been pure sodium bicarbonate. No aluminum is ever added, ensuring purity. It contains only pure ingredients, with no additives. You get the highest quality every time. What we like? It's a great value with its large 1-gallon size, perfect for frequent bakers and cleaners. Its purity ensures the best results in your recipes and cleaning tasks. If you need a large quantity of pure baking soda, this is the one for you. What people say. Clean and pure. Packaged great. This 1-gallon tub is efficient, cost-effective, easy to carry and store. The baking soda is smooth, high quality, and the handled container can be reused to store kids' toys, nails and screws, food-grade diatomaceous earth or Epsom salts for your bath. Excellent for any DIY recipes. Number 4. Relative Foods Baking Soda. It's the perfect baking soda for all your needs, from cooking and baking to cleaning and more. It's pure, natural, and versatile. It's mined from the earth with nothing added, ensuring a natural and pure product. You can trust that it's free of additives and preservatives. Use it for baking, cooking, cleaning, or even in your beauty routine. It's a true multitasker for your home and body. It's a natural deodorizer, cleaner, and stain remover. Say goodbye to unwanted odors and messes. It meets the highest standards of quality and purity, so you can feel confident using it. It's also certified kosher for added peace of mind. This baking soda is perfect for all your baking, cooking, and cleaning needs. It's a must-have for any kitchen. What we like? This bulk option provides incredible value and versatility. It's perfect for various uses, from baking to cleaning and even skincare. If you're looking for a large, high-quality, and kosher-certified baking soda, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Great size bag for laundry use. Works great for getting laundry clean, and I feel better knowing this baking soda isn't leaving behind nasty stuff like aluminum in my clothes. The baking side, it's high quality. I've reordered couple times now, and yes, I do recommend. Flavor, it's very easy to swallow without the water smooth texture. Perfect for cleaning and easy to reseal. Number 3. Bob's Red Mill Baking Soda. This baking soda is perfect for all your baking needs. It's pure, gluten-free, and kosher, ensuring high quality and versatility in the kitchen. It's simply pure sodium bicarbonate, nothing more. This ensures it's perfect for baking and other uses. Certified gluten-free, it's a safe choice for those with dietary restrictions. Enjoy baking without worry. This baking soda is certified kosher, meeting the highest standards of purity and religious observance. Get 2 16-ounce containers, providing a generous supply for all your baking and cleaning projects. It's a great value. With its purity and reliability, it's your go-to ingredient for fluffy cakes, light cookies, and more. Enjoy baking with confidence. What we like? This convenient 2-pack is perfect for smaller kitchens or those who prefer smaller quantities. It's gluten-free and kosher certified, making it suitable for various dietary needs. If you prefer a smaller, yet high-quality, and certified baking soda, this is a great option. What people say. This is so much better than the regular baking soda. I use it wash my fruits, vegetables, and I also drink a little if I get upset stomach. Red Mill's baking soda is a finely grained soda that dissolves quickly and is easier on the teeth than the common brand. I also put it in powdered vitamin C to make the ascorbic into ascorbate. I know 99% of the use cases for this might revolve around baking or cleaning, but this baking soda is great for heartburn as well, and the taste is much more bearable than other baking soda brands. Number 2. Nutricost Baking Soda. It's a baking essential, perfect for creating light and fluffy treats. This pure sodium bicarbonate ensures your recipes rise to perfection. Say goodbye to tough kitchen messes. It's a natural cleaning powerhouse, easily tackling grease and grime on pots, pans, and more. Keep your home smelling fresh and clean. It neutralizes odors in refrigerators, garbage disposals, and carpets, leaving behind a pleasant scent. This versatile powder isn't just for baking and cleaning. It even has surprising uses in personal care, like homemade toothpaste. It's GMO-free, gluten-free, and rigorously third-party tested, ensuring the highest quality and purity for your peace of mind. Each bottle contains a full pound of baking soda, providing you with plenty for all your baking, cleaning, and deodorizing needs. What we like? This versatile baking soda is great for baking, cleaning, and deodorizing. The third-party testing ensures high quality and purity. If you need a reliable, multi-purpose baking soda with verified quality, this is a smart choice. What people say. I really like this baking soda. It's more fine than regular, doesn't clump or stick together. Perfect for cleaning and freshening up my home. This item F4OM Nutricost is very useful. I use baking soda as a deodorizer, and is free of contaminants, and is also great for baking and cleaning. Number 1. Unpretentious Baker Baking Soda. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen. This baking soda is non-GMO and completely pure. Unlike some baking powders, it's always been aluminum-free. It's just pure sodium bicarbonate. It's an all-natural way to leaven your cooking and baking. Enjoy delicious, naturally raised goods. It's simply pure sodium bicarbonate. One ingredient, that's it. Unpretentious Baker Baking Soda, a kitchen essential you can depend on. Always pure, always reliable. With a generous 1.5 pounds bag, you'll have plenty for all your baking and cleaning needs. It's a versatile kitchen staple. What we like? This baking soda is a pure, non-GMO option, perfect for health-conscious bakers. Its larger size offers great value. If you prioritize purity and non-GMO ingredients, this is the baking soda for you. What people say. This is such a great product, and aluminum-free baking soda is not always easy to find. Baking soda is an essential nutrient for our bodies. It is thus essential to consume only the highest quality baking soda. I use it with my nasal passage cleaner as well as an additive to drinking water when feeling under the weather. It's safer and healthier than the leading store brand baking soda. This product doesn't have aluminum. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.